I'm recording the session.
Yes, yes, you can.
Now the recording has started. So what is this background uh,
Good evening.
sound?
Actually, actually, power has gone off. That's why right now I am using alternating option, and right now I am using mobile flashlight. That's why you are
Okay,
getting like this.
okay, no problem. So Mr. Jay, how have you been? Because we haven't met for so many days.
We are meeting each other after very long day.
Yeah. So how have you been?
I am fine. I have been great. And what about you?
Yeah. No. I was not well a few days ago. I had been suffering from cough, cold, and fever, but now I'm well.
Thank you. May God bless you good health so that you can enjoy just like before.
Yeah, that's why I gave you sessions of different tutors.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so
In
Mr.
the guise
Mr. J,
in the guise
do
of
you have
that,
something?
I got opportunity to speak differ person.
Yeah. Okay. So Mr. J, do you have anything in your mind to talk about today, or shall I give you one topic?
You can. It is totally up to you.
Okay. So let's talk about health is wealth. Okay.
Okay, it is great thing.
So my first question to you is, how much importance do you give to your health?
As you already mentioned, health is wealth. That's why I think there is nothing above of health, because if if you don't have good health, you cannot enjoy even a single thing. That's why I think so each and everything directly related to our health. That's why I think so health is very important for me, and I have been paying my attention on my health since when I got maturity.
Hmm, okay. So
That's
you
because
value you
because
value health
because I
in your life.
know because I know the value of health. Because if you want to stay healthy, that's why you will have to take care of your health. Only then you can enjoy good health. And without good health, you cannot do even a single work. It does not matter which kind of work do you want to do, whether you want to do physical or mental.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so Mr. J, what do you do to be fit and healthy in your life?
First of all, I would like to share with you what I what I do to stay healthy. In morning, I do yoga because I
Okay.
think so. It is only means with the help of that you can stay healthy, and you can also introspection yourself, and you can also get meditation, because you know very well if you want to achieve anything in your life, meditation play very important role in life. That's why I do exercise as well as yoga, and I also ride cycle whenever I get opportunity. I try to use more and more bicycle so that I can enjoy of riding cycle, as well as with the help of that I can do exercise. Because I think so if you are riding cycle, that time your whole body work together.
That's correct. Hello, Mr. Jay.
Yes,
I think there is background sound. So
yes,
can you hear
yes.
me?
There is a program at my village. Nowadays, you can understand Durga Puja is going on. That's why you are getting sound of loudspeaker. Because
Okay,
Durga
okay. I think
Puja
the
is
bhajan is going on.
celebrated in my village.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. And Mr. Jay, talking about exercising in the gym, that yoga, that's okay, no doubt about it. It's very healthy habit. But what about exercising in the gym? Do you also go to a gym center and exercise over there?
No, no, no. I didn't go to gym so far because I want to do so, but right before that I didn't get opportunity to go gym because I think so. If you are going to gym, you will get atmosphere to do each and everything that is related to your health. Because in gym you will get so many tools, so many machine that is useful for your health, and each and every machine has its own work. According to that, you can utilize that machine for other other. If you want, for example, you can take, if you want to strong your hand, then you have other machine. If you want to strong your leg, then you have other. That's why I think so gym is such place and where under one umbrella you can get so many things that is good
Mhm,
for your health. That's why I
mhm,
think we should join gym.
yeah. No, no. I do go to the gym. There is no problem for me. I daily go to the gym and exercise over there. I'm asking you this question. Do you go to a gym center and exercise over there? But you said you don't go. Okay, no problem. Now let me come to eating habits. So if there is a famous proverb, you are what you eat. Okay.
Actually, this is my problem because I am very foodie person. It, you can
Okay.
say food is my weak point. It is only food where I am unable to maintain myself, because whenever I
Okay.
look anything that is my favorite, my mouth watering. That's why in the, if you are talking about food, this is my weak point. But right now I want to reform my this habit, so that, because right now I am so mature, that's why I
Mhm,
can understand value of health. Because if you want to stay healthy, first of all you should select your food according to your body, according to environment, in which kind of environment you are living. Because nowadays you will not get each and everything pure, and each and everything is not good for you. For example, you can take, there are so many fast food that is so tasty, there is no doubt of it. By saying that you can attract that food, but I think so it is harmful for your body. That's why right now I am so mature, that's why I am able to understand which kind of food is useful for me, and according to that I am trying to take my food. Because right now I am not feeling as I am not feeling so healthy as I used to feel in my early age. That's
okay.
why I want to maintain my health. And I think so it is only food, with the help of that, by dint of that, you can stay healthy. Because food and body is directly related to each other.
Hmm.
That's why first of all we should focus on food. And I think so if it is possible for each and every person, we should try to consult doctor which kind of food is beneficial for our body. According to that, we should try to take our food, and how much quantity we should take according to our weight. I think so we should take, because you will get, there are so glutton people.
Yeah.
They, whenever the opportunity to have anything, they start eating. After eating, they don't care about health. That's why I think so each and every person take care about health, because there is nothing above of health.
Okay. And what about you? Are you a vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am non-vegetarian. In spite Despite being Hindu, I am non-vegetarian, and I having non-vegetarian since childhood.
Okay. You don't
Before,
have any problem
I
of
think so,
consuming meat.
my parent didn't used to have non-vegetarian, and right now my parent also advised me, you should avoid having non-vegetarian. But right now I am in the habit of non-vegetarian, and it is my weak point, because
Okay.
I want to have non-vegetarian two two or three times in a week.
In a week. Okay. Okay. Twice or thrice you consume non-vegetarian food in a week. Okay. No problem. Now let's come to the habit of drinking water. So do you maintain plenty of water in a day, like 2 to 3 liters?
Yes, yes. I am in the habit of taking. In the habit of drinking more and more water, because I know the value of water. Because if you want to stay healthy, you should try to take more and more water. But you should also keep in mind there is limit for everything. That's why
Yeah.
according to our body need, we should always try to have water, because water also play very important role in the field of health, because it is only water that can maintain your health. If if you are unable to get food 1 or 2 days, there is no problem, you can survive. But if you are not able to get water 2 or 3 days, you can't survive. That's why I think so water is very important for us. And I would like to suggest each and every person, we should always try to potable water, because most of people thinks we should take any kinds of water, because water play very important role in the field of health. If you are if you are drinking good water, then you can enjoy good health. That's why right now you can see, especially in city, most of people take care about water. They use purifier. Without using purifier, they don't drink water.
Now, what's your habit? Do you drink your tap water of the village, or do you drink only filter water? What's your habit?
Would you like to repeat? Excuse me, I couldn't hear you properly.
Okay. I'm asking you, which water do you prefer? Tap water of the village or filter water? Which one?
Sorry, sir, due to noise right now. 1 second, I am here to able your voice. 1 second, sir. One
Okay.
second.
Yeah, use your earphones. Yeah, yeah.
Would you
Hello?
like to repeat?
Can you hear me now? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Now I can.
I'm asking you, which water do you prefer? The tap water of your village or filter water?
I would like to filter water, because I know the value of filter water. In village, you will not each and every person does
Yeah, please continue. I can hear you.
not know the value of water level. You will get some peoples are drinking water that level is only 40 feet or 50 feet, whereas according to